Hello everyone, hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Today I again came back in front of camera to practice speaking, and today I would like to talk about today's weather. Okay, today's weather is very dark in the outside because when I was getting ready for going to my college, that time it started the rain, and sometimes we saw that the sky is being dark. That's why I didn't get opportunity to go my college to attend my university class. Okay, every class is very important for me because our teachers suggest lots of method how to make good result in our exam, in our upcoming exam. So, and also attending in the class, it makes bond with the friends. Okay, and it will help you to make good relationship with your teacher. So today weather is not good, that's why I didn't go in my university. Okay, and right now I am talking in front of you to practice speaking. Okay, few minutes ago we went to outside into the rain because we are feel well because of raining, because raining makes us very good feel, because after a long time we are getting the rain. Okay, so raining also very important for the crops, and also lots of trees have in our country, there wants lots of water. And after a long time every bird, every animals got the rain, which is very important our weather, our ambience. Okay, and I always request to our English beginner students that you make videos to improve your English speaking, and you can talk to every people, and you can make videos in front of camera to reduce your shyness. Okay, so that's why every day I try to practice in front of you, and so that right now I am practicing about today's weather. Okay, so a few minutes ago there are some friend have come in my room and to introduce myself, because lots of time I didn't meet him. Okay, after during the Ramadan month we didn't meet with each other. So today also I uh, was supposed to go to meet other people, other my friend, but I didn't go because of raining. If I could able to go my university, I became able to introduce with other friend. Okay, but that's why some friend come in my house to meet with me. Okay, and if you have some good friend, they always lead you good side. Okay, because I have some friend who are very good at speaking, so that's why I'm interested to learn speaking English from them. Okay, I always practice with him, and he also first boy in our department. He always become first in our department in the exam. So I feel very happy to staying connected with them, with him. Okay, so this is my English practicing videos. I always make video for the sake of learning English. Okay, you always practice to your best to improve your English speaking. Okay, and I'm also day by day improving my English speaking by talking in front of camera. Okay, so I will come again in front of you with another new videos. Okay, till then, goodbye.